निकल चुके हैं जहानुमा रिट्रीट के लिए.
Yes, you know.
Are you excited?
Very much excited, and on this note, I would like to share some very basic thing. आप सभी से बात कर रहा हूँ मैं इस समय. आप मुझे बताइए कमेंट में जाके कि आप कितने एफर्ट डालते हैं हर रोज कि आप एक अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल जी सकें, आप ज़्यादा पैसा कमा सकें, आप फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर सकें, आप उसमें कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ते. माई क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, हाउ मच एफर्ट डू यू पुट इन टू मेक श्योर दैट यू लिव इनफ, लाइक यू आर लिविंग योर every day you are living enough, like you should be enjoying your day thoroughly, and you know, taking small vacations I believe is one such part you should keep doing once in a while, once in a month, maybe go to a place that you know, brings some peace to your mind. And Jhanuma Retreat is one such place. It's a beautiful place with...
It is one of our favorite resorts, and trust me, it's the best resort near Indore and Bhopal for sure. It's just so beautiful. You'll just get to see it. So.
You know what the best part about Jhanuma Retreat is? That it is connected to the One Vihar Wildlife Sanctuary, and it's an amazing place. It has so much of green beauty to it. A lot of, you might even sometimes find a deer or something roaming around. उसके आसपास कुछ ऐसे deer वगैरह दिख जाएंगे. You will be so amazed to see, and the rooms are so exclusive. Just wait for the whole vlog and you'll be amazed to see the kind of rooms they have with such a great privacy.
So let me tell you few more things about our room. What happens is, these luxury resorts take care of every small thing. Like, they do not have any plastic bottles. They have these steel bottles filled with RO water. And I love it when they take care of the environment. They have got this pillow menu. It's just so thoughtful. They have different varieties of pillows like microfiber, memory foam, down and feather. They just take care of your comfort so well. That's the best thing about these luxury resorts. They are totally worth it. Two more things about this beautiful room. My favorite spot in this room is this private balcony with a beautiful lush green view. They have a beautiful bathtub. Not only that, one more surprise. An open air shower area.
It's a very beautiful evening, and right now we are going for a spa. There she is coming. We are pretty much excited for the spa. ऐसे स्टेज पे जब जाते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है यार, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो, स्पा वगैरह कराओ, स्विमिंग पूल में कूद जाओ. यही तो लाइफ है यार, मस्ती करना है. क्या बोलती है नून?
And it's such a beautiful evening out here. It's such a beautiful property.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Super good.
यार मेरा तो मन कर रहा है ना कि यार यहाँ कम से कम 3-4 बार और आना पड़ेगा. So it's amazing, just amazing.
We are at the Chakra Spa. Let's get inside, and you know what? It's by the pool side. In the evenings, you can walk around the property. It's so lush green. It's so beautiful, and they have these beautiful gardens connected with small wooden bridges. They are also coming up with something like a golf course or something. They even have a badminton court and a volleyball court. You can spot some monkeys on the trees as well.
So we are enjoying a lot. और एक अच्छी बात आपको बताता हूँ, अगर आप भोपाल आए हैं और भोपाल में घूमना चाह रहे हैं, सो एट जानुमा रिट्रीट वी डेफिनेटली हैव वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. जानुमा से लगा हुआ जस्ट इसकी वॉल के पीछे है वन विहार, एंड वन विहार पे घूमने का, वन विहार इज काइंड ऑफ अ वाइल्ड लाइफ रिजर्व, यू कैन से. इट्स नॉट अ नेशनल पार्क बट अ वाइल्ड लाइफ रिजर्व, एंड एट वन विहार यू कैन डेफिनेटली स्पॉट a lot of great animals, and उनको बहुत ज़्यादा केज करके नहीं रखा है. They are kind of in a
free environment. They are in a very free environment, and you can even opt out for a safari experience. They have these amazing safari in the forest, and that is the closest you can get to nature.
I think they have night safari also, right?
No, they have discontinued that for now. But yes, the day safari, it is till 5 o'clock I think, and it is amazing. It is only for ₹250, and you can just hop on it and enjoy the experience inside.
I mean, you can take your
forest.
own car and enjoy the experience over there. It's actually a great place, right? So
And it's just 2 minutes from this property. You
so
should
if you are
definitely
staying in
check this
Januma
out.
Retreat, you need to go out and definitely visit One Vihar also, right?
We have been there a lot of times, so we are not visiting that right now, but it is on your list. It should be on your list. It's highly recommended. places in Bhopal is Greenhouse Bistro. It's the best cafe and they have the world's best hot chocolate out there. Let me show you a glimpse. That pretty place is Greenhouse Bistro. So we are here for a dinner date at Januma Retreat under the Jamun tree. It's a beautiful, majestic restaurant. Just have a look. It's simply fabulous. Good morning. The sunrises out here are so beautiful and relaxing, and the weather is so pleasing, so relaxing. It's just a perfectly rejuvenating stay. Now we are here for breakfast. Let's go. They have these fresh juices, mixed fruit juices, yogurts, buttermilk, and even sabudana if you have a fast. सो ये था जहानुमा रिट्रीट फ्रॉम भोपाल। और ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्लॉग्स के लिए और हमारे नेक्स्ट एडवेंचर्स के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। एंड कुछ भी और आपको डिटेल्स पूछनी हो, जस्ट कमेंट डाउन एंड वील ट्राई एंड रिप्लाई टू ऑल ऑफ योर क्वेरीज।